Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be showing us how to merge cells. Now you can see the table I have on the side. I decided to merge the cells here. I have a column here for average temperature and also average pH. Now the reason why I made these cells is because for my samples here, I want to find the average temperature. So that is the reason why I made the cells, so that I can have a single figure that would correspond to the average of the samples. And since I have triplicate samples, so I decided to do this for each of the replicates. So I'm going to repeat the same thing I have here. I'm going to make sure that I make this table look exactly like this. And I'm going to use the merge function to do some of those things. So now the first thing you need to do when you want to merge cells is that you try to highlight the areas you want to merge. And the first thing I will do here is to highlight this area here, and I'm going to come to this merge and center option. I'm going to click on the drop down button. There are other options you can explore, but I'm going to use the merge and center. I'm going to repeat the same for the next ones. Merge and center, merge and center, and lastly this. So as soon as I'm done with this, I come to the other column for the average pH and I do the same. Merge and center. Sometimes you can have more than 3 cells, 4, 5 that you want to merge. All you need to do is to highlight all. And then I have it this way. Now, for instance, in this case, you might want to merge like all the cells and to categorize them. So in this case now, I would merge everything I have here and I would apply the same thing because I want to write a text there. So for the text, you can choose the orientation of the text. So to do that, under alignment, you come to this option here, orientation, and you pick the option that corresponds to how you want your text to appear. So if I want my text to appear like this, I'm going to choose the rotate up text, and then I'm going to centralize it. So now I can type. Don't worry, when you are typing, it can look like it's not in that orientation, but by the time you press the enter, it's going to take the shape you want it to be. So once I press enter, I have it this way. And so in one of my videos, I explained how you can add border lines to your table. So you can refer to the video. So to add my borderline, I would highlight everything here and come to the borders, and I'm going to click on the all border. So I have everything looking like a proper table here. For this, I can highlight this again and pick a color here. So I pick this color, and so it looks exactly like the way I want it to be. And for the text here, I can copy them and bolding. Yeah, so it looks exactly. Then for the calculation, I made a video on how you can use some of the functions on Excel, like the average and the sum functions. So I won't dwell so much on this video. So to do that, you can just click on the equality sign, and in this case, we are working on average. So I click on average and I highlight what I want to find the average for. So for this 3 column, and I press enter. So this is the average for these 3 samples I have here, and I can repeat the same for the other ones. The same with the pH. For the average, I just press the average function and I use the first one as an example and I press enter. So it gives me the average of the 3 samples, and I can repeat the same for this. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.